Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Guys, Umkhonto Wesizwe Party has won in Richmond yesterday. There were by-elections there and bawinning of 54%. They've just gained a seat Richmond where MK itole u 54%, ANC yathola u 39% from 84%, EFF 5% from 9%, IFP 1%, no growth at all because they were 1% before by-elections. EPA, there are new kids in the block, kumkhandlu nabo bathole 1%. So abangenanga ke emkhandlwini ke-EPA. So umkhandlu currently is sitting at ANC is sitting at 8 seats from 9 seats, EFF 2 seats, MK 1 seat, Independent 1 seat, EDA 1 seat, IFP 1 seat. MK go May kuma elections lawa national yayithole 53% kuma elections lawa May, so igainile 1% kulama by elections. It's showing growth. Congratulations kwi-councillor le MK Elishasha Macekeceke Elishasha. Wow, I'm so happy for the party. Nanokuthi nje i-national leadership was so involved kwi-campaign yase Richmond just to show ukuthi where umphakathi uzikhethela i-candidate, akubi khona lutho, azibi khona iy'nkinga, napho bakwazile ukuthi ba-campaign bawina eRichmond. I am so happy for i-MK party. Congratulations eRichmond. Abantu base-Richmond baphume ngobuningi babo bayovota, bavotela i-candidates abayifunayo bona. Please don't forget to support the channel by ordering soccer jerseys. Yes, we are selling soccer jerseys kule channel. They cost 300 Rand. All you have to do is WhatsApp this number 060-742-8876 if you want these soccer jerseys. You can even send a picture of your preferred soccer jersey that you would like to order and just send it to my WhatsApp, and then mina ngizobona ukuthi ngihlela kanjani. All orders are processed through PEP, Pexi, and Courier Guy. PEP, when all you have to do is go to your nearest PEP and get a store code where you just send it to me. I know this is my store code. Please send my parcel to this location, and then I'll do that. A courier to PEP will cost you 100 Rand, and then a Courier Guy will cost you 120, depending on the location where you are at. If you prefer a Courier Guy option, I really wish abantu bangachoose PEP because PEP is much easier than a Courier Guy. PEP nje all you have to do is take your ID to that PEP store that you chose to collect your parcel. Yeah guys, please support the channel. This will help for me to be able to buy equipment. I have kept amount to as little as I can possibly can. 300 Rand, and izosiza kakhulu guys ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiye kuma events kunokuthi ngilinda you guys as subscribers to donate to the channel. So ngifuna ukuthenga equipment for channel njengoba nibona nje I don't even have a mic yabona, and I want to change channel to kwenza podcast. So to change that I would need capital, since this channel is not sponsored at all. I know sponsorship, it's just an independent channel that you guys want me to continue to bring you all the breaking news politically, all the MK party news, but then I was run a channel without funds. So that's when you guys come in. Please support the channel. Please order soccer jerseys. It will really help. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, turn on that notification bell, comment down below. Don't forget to order your Soca jersey. Bye.